Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to get kids to start cleaning. Cleaning can be a daunting task for kids, but with the right approach and mindset, it can be a fun and rewarding experience for them. Tip 1. Make it a game. One of the best ways to get kids to start cleaning is to turn it into a game. You can make a contest out of it and see who can clean their room the fastest or who can pick up the most toys. The key is to make it fun and enjoyable for them. Tip 2. Assign age-appropriate tasks. It's important to assign tasks that are appropriate for their age. You can start with simple tasks like making their bed or putting away their toys. As they get older, you can increase the complexity of the tasks.
Tip 3. Give them a sense of responsibility. Kids love to feel like they are in control and responsible for something. When you give them specific cleaning tasks, it gives them a sense of responsibility and ownership over their space.
Tip 4. Offer rewards. Rewards are a great motivator for kids. You can offer small incentives like a special treat or extra screen time if they complete their cleaning tasks.
Tip 5. Lead by example. Kids learn by example, and if you are not cleaning or taking care of your own space, they are less likely to do it themselves. It's important to lead by example and show them how to clean and take care of their space.
Cleaning can be a fun and enjoyable experience for kids with the right approach. By making it a game, assigning age-appropriate tasks, giving them a sense of responsibility, offering rewards, and leading by example, you can get your kids to start cleaning in no time. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you get your kids to start cleaning. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more parenting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.